Welcome to Little Fantasyland.
Ho, ho, ho!
Once upon a time, in a cozy little house at the edge of a bustling town, there lived the brothers named Sam and Ben. Sam was the older brother, with a mischievous twinkle in his eye and a knack for getting into trouble. Ben, on the other hand, was the younger brother, quiet and thoughtful, always eager to follow in Sam's footsteps. Despite their differences, Sam and Ben were the best of friends. They spent their days exploring the fields and forests surrounding their home, chasing butterflies, climbing trees, and splashing in the nearby stream. One sunny afternoon, as they were playing in their backyard, Sam spotted something glimmering in the bushes. Curious, he dashed over to investigate, with Ben trailing behind him. To their surprise, nestled among the leaves, they found a tiny bird with a broken wing. The poor bird chirped feebly, its eyes wide with fear. "We have to help it," Ben said, his voice filled with concern. Sam nodded, his mind already racing with ideas. "Let's build a cozy nest for it and find some food to feed it," he suggested. Working together, Sam and Ben gathered twigs, leaves, and bits of string, carefully fashioning a makeshift nest for the injured bird. They placed it gently inside and set off in search of seeds and berries to feed it. As the days passed, Sam and Ben took turns caring for the bird, feeding it and keeping it warm and comfortable. They named it Pip and watched with joy as its wings slowly healed. Before long, Pip was strong enough to fly again. With a joyful chirp, he spread his wings and soared into the sky, leaving Sam and Ben staring after him with smiles on their faces. "We did it, Ben!" Sam exclaimed, wrapping his arm around his brother's shoulder. "We helped Pip fly again." Ben beamed with pride, knowing that together, they had made a difference in the life of a tiny bird. From that day on, Sam and Ben continued to explore the world around them, knowing that no adventure was too big as long as they had each other by their side. And as for Pip, he remained a symbol of the bond between two brothers, reminding them that with love and kindness, anything is possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.